What's happening, my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, what we're going to be doing is painting the Supra bumper for less than £30. So hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, y'all. Cheers! So let's just show you. It's got that little crack there. It's got that little bit there from when I crashed it there. It looks terrible, so yeah, need to sort it out, make it look a bit better. Obviously that needs doing and other things, but let's get going. First step, need to remove the bumper. I was going to do it with the bumper on, but yeah, probably end up fitting the splitter back on after as well, so kill two birds with one stone, right? Is now the bumper removed. It didn't take as long as I thought it would, thankfully, probably because I've removed it quite a few times now. But let's get inside, start prepping it up. Bumper's in the garden, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this grill because I need to sand around here. Remove that. I don't know, should I keep that off permanently? What do you lot think? It would show off the intercooler because yeah, it's kind of flimsy. Let me know what you think. So just roughly fitted the bumper up so you lot could all see it. That looks kind of hard, you know. What do you lot think? Leave it off the grill? Jeez. Well, that's bloody great, isn't it? Good start. Tried looking for the DA sander, can't find it. Brother was like, oh yeah, look in this drawer, that drawer. Couldn't find it, so just gonna have to bloody hand sand it. I'm gonna start off sanding it with the 80 grit paper. Where we're at with the bumper at the moment. This is all done with 240 and I'm going to go over it with 320. Yeah, then I started lashing up this. Really don't know. Later on I will be giving it a full respray anyway, but I just want to make it look a bit more tidy now. As you saw from the time lapse, yeah, it had primer on there. That's because my brother come along before I even started masking it and started getting spray happy. But yeah, let's show you the current result. I've done 2 coats. That's just plastic primer. Next I'm going to do the high build primer. Hopefully it'll look better than what it was. Can see a couple of scratches and imperfections, but compared to before, I'll say it's a bit better. I might give it another little coat, or I don't know, we'll go with the high build primer, maybe 2-3 coats. Yeah, let's see. But definitely a lot better than before. What do you lot all think? Should have really done this side, but yeah, hand sanding it, Ming, and that. Primering is done. Just need to wet flat tomorrow, base coat and lacquer. Right, let's let that bake off. as you all can see, it's all primed up and I've got overspray. But yeah, let's just see how it comes out. I should have done a better job, to be fair, but I'll probably end up taking it off and doing it again at some point. Right guys, do you know what? I am really not happy with this finish. It's going to come out terrible. It's already peeling and yeah, it's just going to look horrendous. But thankfully, good news, I found the DA sander. Jeez, come on. Gonna sand the whole thing down now and yeah, let's do it proper. Well and good, me finding the DA, but yeah, do you know what? One problem after a fucking another. The backing fucked up, tried gluing it on, just come to the screw fix, bought this one for like 29 quid. Let's fucking get back and sanding. So we went from just painting this side to painting the whole flipping thing. And not just that, I think I might actually fiberglass resin that, fix that. Also, on the driver's side, that's broken, so I may possibly just fix that now as well. And I noticed this is basically a hole, so yeah, not good. And this bit, all these other little bits, might have to just sand by hand. Still at it. Thankfully now my brother's helping me. But yeah, that don't look the greatest. You're gonna probably see that. Anyways, that's basically repaired and things, so yeah, let's see if I can get in primer. Spent hours sanding it down, prepping it up. Now it's time to plastic prime it, see how it comes out. But yeah, let's just basically get it done. One coat blender of plastic primer. Yeah. Nice little surprise to come home to. I thought I was gonna have to flat the bumper down. But yeah, brother's already flattened it down. So let's give it a little bit of base coat and quick dusty coat. First we're going to cover up the little repairs. Ooh, this is a good tan. Gives a nice spray pattern. A little dusty coat. Definitely got to cover these bits up. First of all, that's what you do. That's a bloody great colour match. Big up to Edmonton Car Paint. Still mix me up the paint. Lovely. That is literally one can and it's done the whole bumper. But yeah, I don't know how it's going to come out, but yeah, sweet. Just to lacquer it. Right, that's it. All the prep, paint, everything is done. I'm not really happy with it because using aerosol, I could have done better with a spray gun. But anyways, if you like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged for more, yo. Cheers!